guys, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to unbox the Realme GT Mastered Edition, so which I did order in the Flipkart during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale for about 10,214 rupees. Yes friends, exactly, I did order the Realme GT using the exchange offer, and in case if you want to know how is my exchange process went, you can check the video as well which I did upload so just now, and you can check the follow the playlist for the Realme GT Mastered Edition. There you can actually get all the videos which I'm going to upload on this single device. In case if you plan to buy, this video playlist will be really helpful for a lot of other users. And this exchange exactly price right which I got, as you can see here, this is price exactly. So my phone went for about 14,750, which is a Realme 6 Pro, which I did use for I think for the past 1 year. I was using 1.5 years. My father is using. That's the reason. And it is a Realme GT Master Edition exchange. After exchanging the phone, I did receive package. So not bad. Let me do exactly open and let's see what is the box contains and everything. I thought of not ordering the Realme GT Master Edition, but I did order because of the exchange value which I'm getting. That's it. Otherwise, I could have ordered before itself. But only because of this offer, I really tempted to buy the Realme GT Mastered Edition. Is a quick look everything friends, all the details about the processor and display which we do know before as well, but I'll definitely do plenty of testings on this Realme GT Master Edition. Stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested for more updates on this one. And if you're having any other doubts, also my video playlist will be clearly helping you in terms of solving all the queries what you're having on this Realme GT Mastered Edition. So this is a 6GB RAM variant. Yes, I did order the 6GB RAM variant. The main reason is because I want to see how is the 6GB RAM variant mobile phones that do perform, because not everyone will be able to spend extra money and buy the 8GB RAM variant. I do know very I think little bit difference is there with the 6GB and 8GB in this Realme GT Master Edition, but I'm not talking about this phone, but with the other phones as well. So that is the reason I thought of ordering the 6GB RAM variant, just to see how is the RAM management and how is my experience going to be there in this phone. And there's a seal in the bottom. Yes, of course there's a seal. Let me do, yes, now the seal is gone and here we go. The Realme GT Master Edition will be unboxed in my channel, and this is going to, I think phone will go into the really extreme level torture in my testing. I can definitely say that. And on the top we do have the, I think, SIM card pin we might be getting here. No, I think we did get only a couple of papers from the Realme. I think warranty papers, I think so. Safety guide, okay. And next is the final phone. And I did not get that kind of suitcase kind of variant. That's the reason I did order this different color. As you can see, not the white one, because if I buy the white one, obviously, so if it got any kind of marks or anything on the back, again I cannot sell the phone. That's the reason I did not order the white one. This is a Cosmos black color. That is what the Realme is calling at this moment. And in case if you want to buy any kind of my old phones, definitely make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. And here I did remove the seal, and we do have the screen protector. This is one thing which I'll definitely check every time whenever I do unboxing, because that's the most important thing. Because if there is no screen protector, then you should definitely buy it. That's another thing. So it is the back. These are the back looks design of the Cosmos black. And let me try to open this one as well. And underneath we do have the case. Wow, that's kind of good. So this is what I did like, friends. Wow. So instead of normal usual transparent one, we do have this kind of case. I'm gonna definitely use it. It's really good, not bad. And there's different ports available for earphone and even for the charger as well. Let me have to keep it properly. It's very tight. Yes, finally it's very tight. I did like. Wow. Even there's a port for covering this 3.5mm jack as well. That's really good to see. So usually most of the companies and cases, they will be coming only with the charging cover, but not with the 3.5mm cover. This is a complete look at the phone. This is how the phone looks, which is fantastic. And here we do have the 65-watt super dot charger, which is not new for me. I did use a couple of 65 chargers previously. And here's a cable which we do get, and not bad. And inside the cable we are having the SIM card ejector pin. Yes, here we go, in the SIM card ejector pin inside the cable box. So here's a quick look at the unboxing of the Realme GT Master Edition. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are in-depth videos you want me to do on the Realme GT Master Edition. This is just a mini review of the unboxing which I thought of showing you. So I did like the case. That's a really good move from the Realme. Thank you. So I thought I will be getting the normal transparent case, which they do become after a long time kind of yellowish kind of color, so which we cannot use, but this kind of something unique. At least I got something kind of color. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on this one, so let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to follow the playlist which I created for the Realme GT Master Edition. Meanwhile, signing off friends, bye.